Do you want to know how you can find jobs using DeepL translator? If yes, then this video is for you. Hello and welcome to AI Basics. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can search for jobs and find them using DeepL. Go ahead and open deepl.com on your Chrome or Edge browser and then log into your account. Now, scroll down until you see Open Jobs. DeepL is hiring, so you can join them. So click see open jobs, scroll down, and you can search for the current jobs. You can search it from section as well, so you can click on these departments. If you want to search all together, click on all departments and it can be shown over here. So you can choose the work model as well. So if you want remote, on-site or hybrid, you can click on it and you can see that it will be categorized according to your choice. So you can click on any of the jobs, scroll down, click on apply and read all the responsibilities and the negotiation process. You can start it, so you can make sure that you can send your application in English so that they will understand it. So go ahead and click apply. Go ahead and drop your CV, write down your full name, email address, your phone number, upload your photo, upload your cover letter and fill some of the questions, which is really important. Read down these questions and you can click on all of these, read through these and then click send. This way you can send your CV to DeepL and then you might get the job if you are applicable and capable of it. So this was a video on how you can find jobs and apply on it using DeepL. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care and make sure you enjoy.